Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your Grubhub driver account, follow these step-by-step instructions to complete the verification process and start delivering food orders. Step 1. Download the Grubhub for Drivers app from the App Store or Google Play Store and install it on your smartphone. Step 2. Open the app and sign in using the email address and password you created during the driver application process. Step 3. You'll see a notification that your account needs to be verified before you can start accepting deliveries. Tap on this notification to begin the verification process. Step 4. Navigate to your account profile or settings within the app to access the verification requirements section. Step 5. Complete identity verification by providing your full legal name, date of birth, and social security number. This information is required for background check purposes. Step 6. Upload a clear, well-lit photo of your government-issued ID, such as a driver's license, state ID card, or passport. Make sure all text on the ID is legible. Step 7. Take a selfie as directed by the app for facial recognition verification. This helps Grubhub confirm that you are the person shown on the ID document. Step 8. Provide your driver's license information, including license number, state of issuance, and expiration date. Upload photos of both the front and back of your license. Step 9. Upload proof of vehicle insurance that shows current coverage. The insurance policy must include your name and meet Grubhub's minimum coverage requirements for your area. Step 10. If you're delivering by car, upload your vehicle registration documents showing that your vehicle is properly registered. Step 11. Grubhub will conduct a background check, which typically takes 3 to 10 business days to complete. You'll receive a notification via email and in the app once your verification is approved, and you can begin accepting delivery orders. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.